This is the scene from Saturday afternoon on our replay. Notice that we appear to be in a building. Here's Jay over here. He farted, so he's behind there. Stink on it. And I would turn the camera toward me, but I have the lowly iPhone 3, so you can't see me, unfortunately. But this is why we're sitting in the building, because it's raining and lightning. So, rain delay. I'm sure we'll be back out in just a minute. Jonathan, how's your round going today?
Oh, well, we're winning, so it's a nice change of pace for me.
Oh, that's good. You enjoy that while it lasts. Because Jay has swore that he's going to birdie every hole for the rest of the front nine. So.
What was that lady saying,
This is Jay doing what I just did 5 seconds ago.
Well, yeah, but
I feel like Seth MacFarlane, because yeah, I bet my video will turn out pretty good though.
Well, yeah, you have an iPhone.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're the best.
Well, yeah, they are. I mean, they're not like a Droid or anything, but they're an iPhone. How many what? How many G's?
How many G's is your phone?
Mine's 4G.
Mine's